Okay, this is just a little intro into how to use this tuner metronome combination if this is what you're using to practice or put together a playing video. So to start it, it's this button right here that has the little play and power button. You hold it to turn it on. Depending on what you last had it on is what will show on the screen. So right here is the metronome, and here this MT button is how you pick between tuner and metronome, and you actually have to hold it. Don't just push it once. I'll show you what it does if you just push it once. Okay, so for metronome, you have different types of notes that'll play. That's what this button on the bottom left is for. It's got 2 eighth notes on it, and as you push it, you'll see that it shows different values of eighth notes and other types of notes in the top right corner. Most of the time, what you'll want to be doing, at least as you're getting used to it, is just selecting it until it shows just a quarter note, because that's what you want the metronome to sound like. So now it's on metronome. This button right here, the MT button, if you push it without holding it, like so, it changes the number of beats in each measure. Because the way this metronome works is it plays a different sound on beat 1. So most of the time you're gonna do 3 or 4. For this one, we're gonna do 4 beats each measure. And then this button over here, these over here, you change the tempo that you want to be playing the metronome at. 155 BPM, which is beats per minute, is pretty fast. So we're going to bring it all the way down to around 90 or so. And when you're ready for it to play, again, if you hold this button, it'll turn it off. The top left button. So you just hit it without holding it, and it plays the tempo for you. There is a dial right here that spins on the top, and that is the volume. So you can change the volume to make it more audible, easier to hear. And then you push it again to stop it from playing. If I wanted to play with eighth notes, there I pushed that button so that it's 2 eighth notes, and I hit play. And now it's playing every eighth note in a 4 beat measure. And that's pretty much it. That's really all you really need to know. But for the most part, you want to select to quarter notes and 4 beats per measure, maybe 3 beats per measure sometimes, depending on what the playing activity is. And when we're done, we hold the button and it turns off. And that's it.